Alright, good morning everybody. If you guys have bought a Sany excavator either from an auction or a private party or something like that, you guys want to stick around for this video. So if you guys have been following my channel, you know that I buy and sell a lot of heavy equipment. I've never bought a Sany excavator before. If you guys have been watching, I bought one down in Florida here a few months ago. I actually sold that machine to a customer. It was a 2022 Sany excavator. Had like 200 or 300 hours on it, not very many. So if you guys know anything about Sany excavators, they have a 5-year, 5,000 hour warranty, which is freaking awesome. So that's a big selling point, especially on an off-brand machine like that. So we run into some trouble. Sold to the customer, had a warranty issue pop up. They ended up taking it to the local dealer up in Indianapolis to get it worked on, and that's where the issue come up. So alright, so you guys know I did a little short review on this machine a few months back. I bought this machine, wanted to try it out myself before I sold it. I've never been on a Sany excavator. I was pretty impressed with it. Thing's smooth and quiet and all that stuff, lacking a little bit of travel power and stuff like that. I kind of pointed out in the video, but the big thing is that 5-year 5,000 hour warranty. I was happy with the machine. I was gonna pick some more up at the next sales as the opportunity arose. So but anyway, we sold this machine to a customer and had a warranty issue pop up, so he took it to the local dealer, which is more of a rental house than a dealer, but they do warranty repair and stuff. So that's when the issue arose. They got the repairs okayed at the dealer there, but we were kind of talking on their behalf too, so we just sold the machine to them. So the dealer got all the repairs authorized and all that stuff, and then they asked us where the machine come from. We told, well, we got it from an auction because we're a used dealer and that's where we usually get most of our stuff. So, and right there it instantly threw up a red flag with them. They said, well, anything that comes from an auction, the warranty is void on it, period. They cannot do nothing about it. And this machine again has like 200 or 300 hours on it. It's a 2022, it's a year old. Even in the auction brochure it said remaining 5-year 5,000 hour warranty carries on. And I believe you guys have been following along my videos. I bought this in February down in Florida, and there was a half dozen other machines like it. They were lease returns from a Sany dealer. They sent them to auction just to sell them. So I had no idea that the warranty wouldn't follow that machine, or other manufacturers like John Deere, Cat, all that stuff. They always follow the machine, doesn't matter where it gets sold out or what happens. So we reached out to Sany directly several times, talked to corporate there. Nice people and everything, but they, period, I mean, will not cover any machine that's been to an auction, period. So went over and over with them. I didn't want to post this video, but I feel like everybody should know the situation on these machines. So if you bought a machine from an auction, or even a used machine off somebody else, you need to go back and see the history of it, see where it come from. You can do a simple thing, just a Google search for that VIN number, serial number. You put it in the internet, usually it's going to pop up whether it's been at an auction or not. So here's a quick thing on Machinery Trader you can go look at here real quick. I just put in 2018 and newer machines because those are 5 years old. There's been over 100 of them sold just in the last few months. So there's quite a few machines in here that say that a warranty, it still has a remaining warranty available on it. So I'm going to click on a couple of these, and it's just not the ones I bought. There's several other auctions on here. You got one here, for example. This is a 2018, so yeah, it's getting its 5 years age up here, but it still says it has its transferable factory remaining warranty. That is not true. So we move on. There's several more here on down the line. There's even some brand new ones, just a few hours on it here. So look at this 2022 SY50 here. It's got like 121 hours on it. Again, remaining factory warranty. That is not true again. So moving on, a lot of these ads, I'll say this. There's some higher dollar machines here people's bought, and there's one with 2 hours on it that's sold. There's a 155 that's sold. Yeah, 2 hours on it. Brand new. 5-year, 5,000 hour powertrain hydraulic warranty. Whoever bought that machine, again, this is current right now in May of 2023. So this is what Sany's told me directly. They are not covering any machines that's been to auction. You guys can see here there's hundreds of machines here that's been to auction. And I'll scroll on down here. You can even see some of the machines that were at the Florida sale here. Same thing with those. There's some of the machines I bought. You know, it says remaining 5,000 hour, 5-year manufacturer's warranty. So, like I say, those are even put in there by a dealer, but Sany themselves in Georgia will not stand behind those machines. So, I just want everybody to know that if you bought a used machine or something like that. So, that's leaving us in a huge pickle with our customer. The machine was financed, so he's going to be upside down if we try to buy that thing out. So we're right now in negotiations with him, trying to find an aftermarket warranty, but we all know those things don't work real well, so we're trying to keep him happy. I had to pay $1,600 and some odd dollars out to the dealer already for repairs that were not covered, that were okay to begin with until they found out the machine come from auction. So I think it's just a poor way to do business on Sany's part. I mean, I realized they said they were burned a couple times on some salvage machines that got flooded or something like that. I don't know exact details, but you can't hold everybody accountable for that. But either the machines need to go back to the dealer after they've been bought from a auction and get recertified for that warranty, or something like that. So it's just not good on the manufacturer at all. I mean, I think it's going to hurt them big in the long run, because everybody knows most of these machines go into rental fleets, and what do rental companies do? They send them to auctions, and a lot of stuff is sold in auction right now too. So it's going to be a huge problem. They need to get that situation figured out. So we've got to make our customer happy. I'm going to have to give him a bunch of money back to hopefully put in the piggy bank for repairs on down the way if that happens. So I'm losing money on the whole deal. I just don't want to see anybody else get into a bunch of financial trouble over that, buying a new machine and thinking they have a 5-year, 5,000 hour warranty. Like I said, there's been several in here. It's been sold with just 2 or 3, 10 hours, 15 hours, quite a few new ones, year old, something like that. So, and there's a lot of other auctions that aren't listed just on this Machine Your Trader app. So I know there's a lot of other machines that sold at auction. So, like I say, just a simple Google search of your serial number, you can find a lot of information about any kind of machines like that. So, yeah, I hate to bring this little video to you here today, but I think people need to know about this kind of stuff, because it's not good. It costs people a lot of money. So, you guys got any questions or comments, please feel free to drop them down below. Let me know how you feel about it. So, I will not be buying any more Sany machines, period, and selling them to anybody just because of this fact. It's just not worth it. So, we sell a lot of John Deere stuff. We've bought stuff that still has remaining warranty. It always gets transferred to the new buyer. Now, you may have to show the paperwork trail where you bought it at an auction, sold it to that customer when you do need that warranty work done, but there's never been any questions about that. So, same way with Caterpillar, never had any issues with that. So, but yeah, Sany needs to step up their game for sure on that. So, but hopefully this helps anybody out that's thinking about purchasing a Sany machine, say at an auction or a private party or something like that. So if you're not purchasing directly brand new from a certified Sany dealer, there is no warranty covered on these machines at that time. So hopefully that helps everybody out. Like I say, share this video, get it out there so everybody else can know, and they don't have any financial disasters like we're having right now with this machine. So thanks everybody for watching.